Hey there, let's talk about the most essential step in setting up your SocialPilot account. Connecting and managing accounts. Connecting different accounts for different platforms on SocialPilot is super simple. Select Connect Account option from the Account menu. You will see a list of different networks to which you can connect your SocialPilot account. Select the type of account you want to connect to SocialPilot and follow the on-screen instructions. Your account will be connected instantly. Now that you know how to connect accounts, let's show you how to customize it to suit your workflow. You can manage all your accounts from the Manage Account option in the Accounts menu. This section gives you an overview of all your accounts across all platforms. It also gives you a view of how many team members and clients have access to these accounts. You can choose to filter these accounts by groups, teams, clients, or platforms. Here, you can start customizing the account configurations to suit your needs. You can create a posting schedule that generates a posting queue for this account. Later, while creating a post, you can simply add the post to the queue instead of manually selecting schedule date and time. For better manageability, you can add your account to different groups and determine which of your team members have access to the account. Clients asking for more control over what gets published from their accounts? You can choose the Client Approval option here and specify clients who will have the authority to approve your posts. The Manage Account section also enables you to take quick actions for your account, like jumping to the Analytics section, pausing, or deleting your account from SocialPilot. That was rather simple, wasn't it? Now you can connect and manage accounts on SocialPilot with ease. If you have more questions, feel free to schedule a call with our support team right here.